What's up, everybody? Yes, I am back. It's Dre Trades right here on YouTube. It's December 22nd. It is Tuesday, and it's 2:15 p.m. as I'm making this video. I apologize I didn't make a video yesterday, and I apologize I've been kind of lackluster on the videos, but we're going to get to it real quick. I'm just going to talk real quick about the market, what I like, and I'm going to give you a hot trade. Yeah, it's gonna be, if you missed that Peloton trade I gave you last week, this one, will be fire as well. I think. Hey, you never know. Hey, I got to take credit for that, man. Peloton is absolutely on fire. All right, so here we go. So the Dow is down 1, 2, 3. Nasdaq up 56, and then the S&P is down 1.8. Looking at the heat map, what's going on? I've been checking out this technology sector. And it's turning green, right? It's getting more greenish. So the action seems to be over here, and then you have a little down here in the medical devices and all that crap. But it's kind of scattered for the most part. Look at UPS. UPS having a nice day. Tesla, ever since it's been in S&P, down. But look at that. Look how it's kind of trying to make a little comeback towards the end of the day. All right, so that's not important, man. Let's look at the market, the S&P. Because I really wanted to do a video yesterday, but I'm sorry, I just couldn't get on because yesterday's action was incredible. So I'm going to focus in on it right here. And ugly day, ugly morning with the futures, right? And I think we went down as low as 700 points on the Dow. This is the S&P right here. But look how quick the market took that back and basically filled the gap. I'll call it a gap fill. I mean, by 2 o'clock, it was done. It was an incredible buying opportunity right here. Right? It just goes to show you the hunger. People just wanting to get in. They got a little bit of lower prices and bam, they bought it right up. Right? So here we are today. It looks a little weak, right? It's kind of like a flat kind of day, but no, it's still bullish. We're holding. We had a little sell off, and look, it does not want to come down. I mean, we can't just keep going straight up forever and all day, right? So I actually like today's action. Let me zoom out a little bit, so you can kind of see what's going on. Yeah, I actually like today's action, and I think, right, that we can blow through right here and kind of head higher, right? Let's see what happens. But yesterday and today, it was fabulous. Can't believe I just said fabulous. It was fantastic. All right, so let's talk about the stock that I'm going to hit you with. And I have talked about it before, and that stock is Amazon. We're going to look at the weekly, right? And if you looked in my past video when I talked about Amazon, I was like, oh, man, I don't know. I don't know if I'm feeling it. It looks like it kind of wants to go lower, but I'm having a change of heart. Yes, I am. I'm having a change of heart. See, right about here, I thought we possibly could head lower. So I'll go ahead and circle that on this candle right here because we put in the inside week, right? Oh, you can't see. Let me delete that. But right there, right? We put in the inside week. It basically, that's kind of could be a reversal, especially when you're at the top of a pattern, even though this is kind of not the top. But I'm kind of looking at it that way. And look at the next candle, how we had an upside down hammer, right? So I just thought it was going to give it up, and it never did. It's kind of hanging in there. And look at all these outside, for the most part. The trading action and all of these weeks right here, gosh, what is that? Damn, month and a half has been inside this candle right here, right? So I'm going to have to actually, I think it's bullish, okay? I think it's bullish. I don't know, some people might think it's bearish, but all I know, here's the trade. Let's just get to the trade, all right? I'm going to pull up the monthly. By the way, when you look at the monthly, you still got the inside month, right? You got the inside month right here, but it's hanging in there. So I'm going to go ahead and call it. And look how that's a hammer candle even, right? So I'm going to go ahead and say that we don't break down, that we actually break up, right? So here's the important thing. This is very important. Right now, the volatility is squeezed, right? So, and it's going to be a volatility expansion. And when that happens, you have to get on board. This thing is going to explode. I'm saying to the upside, but it's still, yes, it could be to the downside as well. Either way, it's going to be an explosion. Okay, it's going to be an explosive move, multi-day. Let's say it's up, right? It might be up 5%, and you're gonna think you missed it. No, you didn't miss it. Get on board and ride that explosion as the volatility expands. All right, so that's the real trade. So if you believe me, well, I put on a bullish call spread and I sold some put spreads. That's my position right now. But if you think this stock is going up, yeah, you could go ahead and take a bullish position. But just be aware that it still can go down. But the real trade is whichever way this thing decides to break out, that's the direction you want to get on and ride it. Okay, if it breaks to the upside, get on and ride it. If it breaks to the downside, get on and ride it. Now, I'll show you a stock like Peloton, which I kind of pointed out right there. Perfect. Look at that entry, boy. Unbelievable. But kind of the same way. But you see this big candle, right? People probably, oh man, I missed it. No, they didn't miss it, right? Could have still got in here 135, 136 and rode this up to 170 today, whatever it was, right? So it's going to be something like that. We're going to break out, and we're going to break out hard, either up or down. I'm guessing up, and it's not going to be too late. Okay, ride it. It's going to be an explosive, powerful move. That's the trade. All right. The trade is ride the breakout, whichever way it breaks out. And I'm guessing that it's going to break out to the upside. All right, so that's the video. Tell me what you think, man. This is Dre Trades. You can hit me up on Instagram. Dre Trades, Twitter, Dre Trades. That's actually the best. So right here in the comments of any YouTube video, especially this one, and get in it, and we can talk right there in the comments. So subscribe, like. Tell me if you like this pick. Tell me if you don't. Tell me everything you know about Amazon. So maybe we could change our mind together. Nah, but I'm telling you, this is one of the best setups one of my favorite setups in stock trading is that volatility expansion, and it's a volatility squeeze. It's going to turn into an expansion right now, right? Once it starts to bust, okay? This is what you want to look for. It's here. It's on a big stock. It's on a stock that everyone loves. And once it starts to go, people's going to want to jump on board. But you heard it first right here on Dre Trades. So thanks for watching, everyone. So like I said, sorry about the videos being not frequent. But it's the holidays, so you understand what's going on. Everybody is. Thanks for watching, everybody. I'm out. I see ya. Bye.